Welcome to the Cypress, a beautiful floor plan found at Abberly Crest in Lexington Park, Maryland. This model includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and up to 1,102 square feet. Let's begin in the foyer. For optimal storage, you'll find 2 closets for your convenience. The expansive windows in the living area offer natural light as you continue into the kitchen. Awaken your inner chef. This kitchen is equipped with luxury finish like modern cabinets, faux granite countertops, and modern white appliances. This kitchen is the perfect space for entertaining or dining in. Off the living room, you will find access to your private and spacious porch or balcony. End the day with a nightcap or let your furry friend lounge in the breeze. That's right, the Cypress is pet friendly. Both bedrooms are located on opposite sides of the living room for optimal privacy. The bedrooms come with spacious closets and are flooded with natural light. Your spacious owner suite includes luxurious bathroom with an oversized garden tub. Other amenities in the Cypress include an in-unit, full-size washer and dryer, making those inevitable laundry days a bit more manageable. So allow yourself to indulge and walk into a home that fits you. A home that is incomparably Abberly. Because at HHHunt, it's how you live that matters. To schedule a tour or to learn more information, visit AbberlyCrestLiving.com. Abberly Crest is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. For a full list of our apartments and locations, please visit HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.